how to fix email notifications are not showing on your lock screen. So if you're not receiving email notifications, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this. So the first thing you need to do is just go and load up the settings on your phone, and then scroll down this page and go and select notifications. Now where it says display as, go and select list. Now scroll down to the list of applications until you see mail. Now once you found mail, go and select it like so. Make sure allow notifications is turned on, and also make sure the lock screen is turned on like you see here. Now also make sure badges is turned on, and if you also want to receive a sound notification, then click on sounds, and then you can just go and select an alert tone from the list. Now come back over to the previous window and scroll up, and if you also use the Gmail app, then go and select this and make sure allow notifications is turned on, and also make sure the lock screen is turned on. Now the last thing you need to do is go and load back up your settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and select apps. Now scroll down again until you see mail and go and select this. Now select mail accounts, click on fetch new data and make sure push is turned on. Now scroll down to fetch and make sure this is set to automatically, and once you've done this, you should now be receiving email notifications on your lock screen.